In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide your cursor on OBS. First of all, of course, if you don't have an OBS on your computer, just go and download it at any browser you're using on your computer. Just go, type download OBS latest version, and then go and download it if you have Windows, Mac, or even Linux. After that, just go set up your OBS, launch it, and let's get started. Then, all you need to do is first of all to create a scene. So for me, I already have a scene here, but how to create a scene, you have two options. You can go here to scene collections and click at new, or you can just go here and click at plus icon at the scene section here, then name your scene. Let's say for example, I'll name it test for me, and as you can see here, we will have our scene. So all you need to do now, just go here to your source and click at plus, then capture whatever you want. For me, I'll just choose the display capture, name it whatever you want, maybe desktop. Then click add OK. Then all you need to do, just click OK. Just do whatever you want with this picture. You can make it bigger, smaller, fix it, do whatever you want. After that, all you need to do, just go here to your properties, and as you can see here, we have capture cursor. So if you remove that, as you can see, the cursor is no longer appear on the screen. So if you click OK, as you can see on this middle picture, there is no cursor there. If we go click on properties again, capture cursor, as you can see my cursor there. But if I go and click on properties again, capture cursor, remove it, there is no cursor. And if you want to add some hotkeys to start and pause record, just go settings, hotkeys. As you can see here, we have start record, stop record, pause maybe. After setting your that, just click apply, OK. And then you will be all done to start recording or even streaming. So that will be for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.